How to get $20 Adidas promo code. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Over here, you will find the search box. Type in adidas.com and search for it. With that, you will be directed to the official website of Adidas. Now you can log into your account, browse through the items and select the items that you want to purchase. And while you check out, you will find the section of promo code. Over there, you can type in the code and you will get the discount. But where can you find the Adidas promo code? For that, open a new tab. Now type in Adidas promo code and search for it. Different website links will appear. Using any of these websites, you can get working promo code for Adidas. So go ahead and open any of these. For instance, I'm going to open this one, Wired. After you open it, you're going to find great deals and offers. $20 coupon code, 70% coupon code, $25 coupon code, and many more. Hit towards any of the offer that you are interested in. Just go ahead and click on copy code. So this is the code, you can copy it. Once you copy it, you can hit towards the website of Adidas. Now log into your account, make your purchase. And while you check out, you will find this section of promo code. Over there, paste the code and confirm your order. With that, you'll get the discount. Likewise, you can also give a try to these offers. In this page, you're going to find great deals and offers. Also check out these websites, as these websites will also provide you working promo codes for Adidas. Well, this is how you can get $20 Adidas promo code. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.